Hello again. Right now we're in the basement of the depot. There wasn't actually no basement in this depot except for a small basement on one end that held the furnace and the fuel. So we decided to excavate the rest of the basement. We dug it out in 2015. We actually dug it all out by hand with buckets and shovels, and we had a conveyor that took the dirt on and up out through the coal chute to get it outside. So it took us about 6 months digging a little bit at a time and then pouring a section of the basement walls. We had the engineering done by a local a local concrete person. So they figured out how we should do it properly. So it was quite an experience digging out all that dirt by hand, one bucket at a time or two buckets at a time. Anyways, we finally got it done. I can hardly believe we did that whole project, but we did. And so now we have our model trains down here, and we have G scale up on the higher level, and then we're putting in HO scale on the lower level. On another video, we'll probably have some of the trains running for you. But right now, we're just going to look at what we got down here. And so this is a really popular place for families to come. People like to bring their kids. The kids love to watch all the trains going, and they all have the lights and the sounds and everything. So it's really fun. We made the floor out of, we salvaged the flooring out of a armory gymnasium, the hardwood flooring, and put that in down here, and the ceiling, so to finish it all off. So it's an ongoing project. Right now I'm moving around one of the radiators down here so we can work on putting another section of HO scale bench work in. So the more you come here, the more you can see what progress we're making. People do like to come and see our progress too as we get things done. They say every time they come, there's something different to see. And down here is definitely a place where we're doing some work right now. So yeah, hope you enjoy this video here, and we'll see you on the next one.